You're going to freak out right now. They are restoring this train. Liam out loud. Liam out loud. Life is super awesome on Liam out loud. Hey guys, it's me, Liam from Liam Out Loud, and today we are at the Ravenna Annual Railroad Festival and Car Show. It's going to be super awesome. Yeah. So there's one of the cars. It's a Camaro 69. And we've also got a truck for Pal's gasoline. And this one looks like it's a Ford one, and it looks like the seats are really comfy. This one looks really interesting. I think we saw a car that looked a ton like this whenever we were driving around here a few days ago, so they might have been taking this car over here. Whoa, this one, it appears it's a truck with a red and white color scheme, and it's a Chevy with some guys hanging in there. A ton of people do that. Those are the mechanics of the car. Ooh, this one looks really cool. And that's what the comfy seats look like. All the car seats look so comfy. I could just sit in them right now. And now there's another one which is not modernly shaped. It's really crazy. Another Chevy. Whoa. They've got a car collection in the back here. And they've also got a little flag. And there's the front with an airplane on it. That's very interesting. This one looks like an old-time car. There's a Ford with the nice little step pads.
Nobody can tell what it is when you're that far away from it. I mean, that close to it. Let me take it and I'll get inside.
There's some dream catchers.
They call them mags now. The name they used to call me all the time,
All right, so we're now in the train section, and we've got a ton
my favorite song to do. My husband's
really
least favorite song
cool
for me to do.
souvenirs over here. Some cookie
Well, I have to do it every time
cutters.
because he gets like,
Right
it's like
there.
his skin's crawling every time I do it.
It looks like a railroad
I get
sign.
great pleasure out of that. I like to drive in
We've also got some little trains, train whistles, train buttons, and photos.
So we're going to do a little Bobby McGee. We're going to take
Yes. So that's a little stall that you might see if you come to the festival here in Ravenna.
Bobby thumbed the diesel down.
And just smelling all this food makes me hungry. I just heard a train noise. Wow. It's kind of loud. So if you have little kids, be sure to bring earplugs for them because you might hear one of the trains going by.
Okay. First step, you get to pick your fabric. What would you like to do? Anyone else? Go ahead, take it off. You can just lay it out right here, unfold it, open it up. There we go. Fluff it out. We'll put here you go. We'll put the nice side down so that it shows when we tie it up. Okay. Now you got some choices. You can get barbecue or you can get chicken. Good choice. All right.
You go for 3 or 4 months and start doing it again. Just tell the
Plain
blue, I
crackers
reckon.
with cheese or the orange
I reckon
crackers
that's what
with cheese?
I reckon it's something he eats that irritates you or
Orange
something.
crackers.
But
All right.
yeah,
Let's see. Looks
I
like
knew
my
the
chip
cameras come
options
down
are a
here
little
right
lacking. I got all sorts of things here.
Lyndon been sick too.
You can pick a bag of chips. All right.
Yeah, he's been in the hospital recently.
Make sure that you get a fork for your sausages because we are civilized hobos.
We did that when we were boys was living with him, but he's gone now.
I ate some gummies, sharks. And then we've got fudge ran on dough, cream pies, chocolate chips, or brownies.
Dehydrated.
Alright, one last thing. Grape or blue raspberry?
Blue raspberry.
Excellent.
And they would take care of each other, right?
Alright, lay your stick right down there.
That's about what it's down to for us. Take care of them
There we
too. I
go.
think my wife,
You can just throw that right over your shoulder. Ready?
she has about,
Perfect.
she puts a stethoscope on her calendar on that day.
How many did you go there?
So we're even deeper into the train section. So we had to drive a long way away from the festival to get to the CSX Transportation Ravenna Car Repair Facility. That's a long name. So they work on trains in here. So that's what train track looks like. Right there. You're going to freak out right now. They are restoring this train. Insane. It's so amazing how they are able to build all of this to make it go. It must have taken years of designing to make the first train. And looks pretty crazy. Wow. So cool.
That's the caboose, buddy. Tell them we're going in.
Oh wait, we're going into the caboose. They've got a comfy seat. You can just relax. Oh, and there's a little seat if you have to do some office work. I'm going to get up in there. Whew. Climbing vertical, I am kind of just doing it in my tree house. On the ladder. Check out this locomotive. It's cute. No, I'm not talking about this one over here. So here is a model train system. So we've got tons of here are some of the cabooses that they are ready to restore. And I'm standing on one right now. Over around here is where some of the tall mountains start, and then deeper over in that direction are some of the taller mountains. And then it gets taller as you go further south, especially down in the Smokies. This is the beginning of the Appalachian Mountains. I think I see a lizard. Here's something we do while we're around here. We sometimes like to eat here at Michael's Buffet. So we are about to get what we would like at the buffet. First I'm going to get some salad. Oh, you don't want to forget the crackers. There's some of our salads. I also like to salt my radishes. Yes, I like radishes. So you might be thinking, what's on the menu? Barbecue ribs, some Boston butt pork, some fish and tartar sauce, chicken, meatloaf, green beans, mashed potatoes.
Nice and loud.
And also some of this stuff, and I don't know what it is, but one of my favorites, the veggie casserole. Also, what's inside of the dessert section? We've got butter roll, this pie, and meringue pie. And also you can get ice cream. Ice cream is delicious.
All right.
That was delicious. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed my video, Ravenna Railway Festival. So be sure to like and subscribe. That way you will know whenever I do some cool things. Remember, my next video is going to be super awesome.